Welcome back to another video. So today in this video I will be making a FEKER build. It's going to be mainly consist of the FEKER 71 mechanical keyboard kit and the FEKER Holy Panda tactile switches. So if you're interested in that, do stay tuned. I have a great video up ahead of y'all. So before the video actually starts, I want to say a huge thank you to Banggood for actually sending this kit over. Of course, everything will be linked down in the description below. A huge thank you to Banggood again for sending all of the stuff over. Now let's get this video started. So this is the kit right here, the FEKER 71. Let me just open it up. So inside you get a few things. First thing, of course, right here is the quick start guide for the FEKER 71 keyboard. The manual just goes through the key combinations and nothing much, honestly. So this is it. You can pause to read. Next thing you get is actually this. This is a Type A to Type C USB cable, which is really long and it's white in color. Other than that, you get a keycap puller and a switch puller in this little plastic bag right here. So an orange keycap puller. And you also get this really nice pattern on the switch puller right here, which is really interesting. You also get 5 additional switches from FEKER that they actually produce, so you can try it out if you're interested in getting the other switches. Really nice for FEKER to include this, and I think I'll be having some fun trying them out. And of course, we now have the keyboard itself. First impressions so far, it's a really heavy build. It feels really nice with this aluminium right here. And it feels cold in the hand, so it is metal and it feels really solid and heavy. And that's a very good sign. So on the top left corner here, we have FEKER, of course the brand of the keyboard, and we can see that it's actually 5-pin hot swap with a black PCB and north facing RGB. There are some stock stabilizers included, but these are like the really cheap kind, so I think I will be swapping them out for some better ones. So this is of course the front of the keyboard, and then on the bottom here is just some flat metal. On the side, this is what the side profile looks like. It kind of has like a little round off corner here, which is really nice. This is the back. Of course, we have the Type C right here in this corner, the top left corner, and then we have a little notch going down all the way. This is what the back looks like. It has 4 rubber feet which will keep it in place. Overall, it's a really nice kit. Now I'm just going to unscrew the PCB and the plate and see what we get inside. So I did try to dismantle the keyboard, but some of the screws at the back are actually stripped, so I can't open the keyboard. So I'm just going to take out the stock stabilizers and replace them with some cherry plate mounted stabilizers. So these right here are some genuine cherry plate mounted stabilizers, which I have already wholly modded, so I'm just going to put them into place and then we can move on. So they fit really tightly in place and there won't be any wobble, and that is really good. Now we can talk about the switches I'll be using for this kit. So this is the box that the switches came with. Let's check it out. So this right here is 100 of the FEKER Holy Panda switches. Let me just open one for you guys to take a look at. So this is the FEKER Holy Panda. It does look like the original Holy Pandas a lot, and it kind of has the same tactile feel and sound. And this is how it looks like. It's a 3-pin switch with a cutout for the LED RGB. Really nice. I'm very excited to try out these switches. So this is what the keyboard looks like with all of the switches in, and honestly I think it looks pretty nice, and this is how it looks like with all of the RGB. So the shine through is quite good on these switches and the cutout is really nice. So overall really good, and I'm really excited to actually try this switch out again. Now for the keycaps that Banggood actually sent me. So these are the keycaps. They're called the JMK Stargazing or Stargaze clones. These honestly are pretty nice. So they are die-sub PBT and the legends on them are pretty crisp and nice. I'm really excited to see how it looks like on this keyboard. So this is what the keyboard looks like with all of the keycaps in. Honestly, it's looking really elegant and nice in my opinion. I really love these keycaps, and overall it looks very professional. Honestly, with the artisans also, it looks really nice. Now we can move on to the typing sound test. So overall, I think that these FEKER Holy Pandas sound okay. They are not as great as the MMD or the original Holy Pandas, but at this price, it's more of a budget Holy Panda Switch, and it works fine just if you're looking for a cheap tactile switch. So overall, I really love this FEKER 71 keyboard kit with all of the switches and keycaps in. Overall, it's a very nice premium feel. So if you're interested in anything in this video, it will of course be linked down in the description below, and I hope you guys enjoy this keyboard kit build. Again, I want to say a quick thank you to Banggood for sending over this keyboard kit. I had a great time building it, and honestly, I would recommend you guys check out their website. They have a lot of new mechanical keyboard stuff coming very soon. So that is it for this video, guys. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, dislike this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more mechanical keyboard content. And if you want to see more of what I do, you can actually check out my Instagram at itssamueltan. I have more keyboard content over there, and I'm currently running a giveaway for some keyboards. So do take a look at that if you want to join the giveaway. And that is it for this video, guys. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye, guys.